In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off Face ID, attention aware features. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load up, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot Face ID and attention. When I see it, I tap on Face ID and attention, and that takes me into the section where those related settings are managed. Alright, now that I'm here on this screen, I can see the toggle labeled attention aware features. This is where I can control whether the feature is on or off. So I go ahead and tap the switch to turn attention aware features on, or tap it again if I want to turn it off. The change happens instantly, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stayed set the way I want. Everything updates automatically, so I can remain on this screen or back out whenever I'm ready. Now I'm backing out step by step, heading back through the menus. And that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap Face ID and attention, and toggle attention aware features on or off again. If I leave it set, I'll usually take a second navigating around just to feel comfortable with the change before moving on. It's simple to return here later and adjust it again if I decide I want something different, and that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to turn on or off Face ID attention aware features on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to find and change whenever you need.